Hello, hello there. I'm gonna try to vlog while going to the office. Let's do an English vlog. So, I want to talk about the different rules here in the Philippines regarding motorcycles. So each city or province have their different set of rules regarding motorcycle riders. I see it as a discriminatory rules. Take for example Mandaluyong. They don't want you to have a back ride, but you can't assume every back ride is a bad ride. That's a problem with me. You see, that's a very discriminatory. Some cities, they require you not to use a helmet, and of course if you go to the stores, they require you to remove your helmet. You see, very discriminatory. I really don't like it. Let me do a Kamote move. So this is a Kamote move, and because I'm desperate, I need to get to the office as early as I can. So Kamote move. You see this jeepney here? It stops in the middle of the road. So these are the things that our government should solve. You know, not effective unless there's an accident here. It seems like there is an accident. Okay. Counterflow because of an accident. Laws. There are also pending laws that are that require, you know, riders to display their, to identify them. You know, you need to identify a rider. So they want to have a license plate on your helmet, and maybe a license plate on the front, which is very dangerous. They want to copy India. I don't know why they want to copy India. Come on, you can do better than that. It's really dangerous having your license plate on the front, and the only way to fight crime is for our law enforcers to do their job. That's all. Compensate them, provide them with good benefits, you know, provide them with a vest, good equipment. That's how you fight crime. Not restricting, you know, motorcycle riders, car drivers or cars, you know, doing some shitty things, putting license plate or identification number everywhere. There were also a suggestion to put your license plate on your vest. Come on, not everyone uses a vest. I mean, to fight crime, they'll just put some very restrictive law, and then, you know, people will praise them. Yeah, at least somebody's doing something, but you know, that something is not really something. It's just a knee-jerk action, knee-jerk solution for the sake of just telling people that they are into something. And currently, what the PNP agency is proposing, you know, like a clean rider campaign. You need to register your motor vehicle and provide a copy of your license, as far as I know. And they'll certify you as a clean rider, no criminal record or whatsoever. That's a good thing. But on a personal opinion, you know, the PNP move is really a good thing. You know, they're at least going beyond what's expected for them. But going beyond what is expected, there's a limitation. Like for example, going into, you know, certifying clean rider. You know, I think this is the job of the LTO, or just another layer of red tape. Oh yeah, it's free. You know, does it really have an impact? Let's see. Not yet fully implemented, but what I hear is they want to have a 1 million, if I'm not mistaken, correctly, 1 million clean riders on their list. So they see this as they have like an army of clean riders, at least a 1 million number. I hope it comes out good and somebody won't abuse it. Well, on that part it's good, it can be helpful. Easy to identify. He was asking if it was like a 400cc bike. Well, it's not a... The downside here is it's really hot. Where should we go, man? Do not enter. One way. No, do not enter. I hope it won't rain. Okie dokie. It seems like a storm is coming. I need to remove my camera because it's raining. It's not clear. No, 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 no. Come on. Need to remove my camera. Okay guys, I need to end it here. I'll come back.
Lagi na lang umuulan, parang walang katapusan, tulad na...
Okay, I'm back. Just came back from the office. So it's everywhere traffic in Manila, especially on weekdays. And this is what we have here, like a tuk-tuk in India. We call this tricycle here in the Philippines. So there are different designs of tuk-tuks here. And now I'm going back home because I still have work that needs to be done. It's 5. So this is Mandaluyong. It's one of those shortcuts to escape the EDSA traffic going to Quezon City. Well, going back to the topic from the riders rules. Before I turn on my cam, there was checkpoints. You know, they flag down riders. Not everyone. They didn't. Fortunately, they didn't stop me. Just let me know. But you know, like I said, it's just discriminatory that you can assume that every rider is a criminal, although they're just doing their job. You know that. You know, they are doing the best, the least that they can do. I've been in India, in Mumbai. Almost the same. Actually, I thought that maybe our jeepney drivers or our bus drivers, maybe they get their training from India. You know, man, it was really wild. And you see here, they're really proactively managing the traffic. Let's do a kamote move. Let's go there. And I think this is one of the places that we have here that's a free parking. I believe so, they're still free. It's really a bonus when you have a place that offers free parking. Everywhere is traffic, everywhere. Yeah. The population is increasing, that's why vehicles are increasing. You know, you cannot just tell people not to buy cars because, you know, with the situation here in Manila, it's really it's already a need rather than a luxury. You know, somebody says that it's just a luxury, take the bus, but you know, when you have work, when you have business, no, it's not a luxury, it's actually a need. You don't want to miss work, you don't want to, you know, to get late. Some people say that, you know, don't buy a car if you don't have a parking space. Yeah, I agree to that, but when you have a car, you have a garage, okay? No car, no garage policy. That's what they want to bring. But for me, you know, yeah, it will help. But you can't bring your garage, you know, when you drive. Can you bring your garage? No, you can't bring it. So somehow I see that, you know, that's just a knee-jerk reaction. I mean, a more comprehensive plan would, you know, would really help. Like the Alabang Business District. What else? The Alabang. You have Olongapo right now. Yeah, they also have it. And as well as, you know, like Cebu IT Park. You know, that's the program that we need. The impact is important rather than just like number coding scheme. Passive, what they did is you already have a number coding scheme. You also have the add and even, you know, and it's the only city that's doing it. And it's like really confusing. And you just see there the enforcers, they flag because you have a backride. It's a city ordinance, I believe. They just flag you if you can prove that your backride is your wife or your daughter. You're fetching it from school, then it's fine. You won't get any citation from them. Yeah. Thank you, my friend. I don't have gas anymore. This kind of weather is good. It's not too hot. It's cool. The air is not hot. You have some rain showers, you know, some droplets. Can you see this? Damn. That's a moto-rules right there. So even here it's traffic everywhere. Oh, the bus is still there. You need to get some gas. Ha?
Yung crudo.
Sa iyong ngiti, ako'y nahuhumaling. At sa tuwing ikaw ay gagalaw, ang mundo ko'y tumitigil para lang sa'yo.
Meron ba? Ha?
Yan, Mar.
Hindi ko alam yun.
Pang millennials na ngayon, Chip. Ano ka ba?
Mali.
Usapan niya, motor eh. Yung tumatakbo. Millennials na, di na yan, Mar, ngayon ang ano.
Ano ba yun?
Kahit sa motor, di na ano. Ay, kita mo ngayon, may tubat. Kala ko nga, bike, laruan lang yung tumatakbo. Motor pala yun. Charge na, dalawa lang yung maliit.
Ah, oo.
Oo. Ano na sa amin, motor, crudo.
Crudo?
Oo. Ayaw mo niwala. Mayroon yan. Siya kami tuloy ng gasolina.
Ah, yung crudo.
Oo. Isa kagaya mo rin na ito, yung tumatakbo mo. Pero yun, tumatakbo siya. Pero hindi yan.
Kanina pa yung bus na yan ah. Ano nangyari dyan?
Sila yung power steering sir?
Pero ba't naman nakatagilid?
Pagkataong ka talagang ganyan eh.
Umaga pa?
Oo, lapit.
Until now, I can't really, get this. There you go. Perfect. I hope I'm still recording. Yeah, I'm still recording. I'm glad I'm still recording. Now we have gas. We really need to do something about this. To just get a tow truck. And it's really hard to manage this kind of traffic. It's really hard. It's not easy when you have a big obstruction like this. There's one big obstruction of them. And it's actually illegal to use your phone. Even when you're at stop. But it's acceptable to use your phone when you're at the corner. So these are traffic enforcers from San Juan. They are trying to manage as much as we can. Come on, man. So I think this is what they call the legal badger because of the road, like a mountain road. Yeah. Yeah, the motor move. What I really like with this Ninja 400 is the I mean, the Kawasaki Ninja itself is, you know, the balance is, for me, it's perfect. You know, I came from a Honda Wave. You know, this one, you know, seems to be, you know, on a different animal. And the downside here is that not running on a good speed, it's really hot. And here, it's blowing hot there. Yeah, and I really like the color of this Kawasaki Ninja 400. This is the KRT edition, Kawasaki Racing Team. And I also have a free slider. Good thing. Thank you, Motorcycle City.